Hi guys, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative. I am going to do a layout today and I'm just deciding which of these two photos I want to scrap. And I think I'm going to go this one. And first thing I need to do, because I forgot to get my photos printed with a white border, is I'm going to match my photo. Okay, now I'm happy with my photo, it's all matted. I am going to cut I think I'm going to use this piece as my base. I had a look through all the papers in the pack and I like this one. So I'm just going to trim off the barcode strip. So I want that paper that way. I do think I'm going to do it this way so that I've got kind of these arrows running this way and that way, and I might do something coming this way. Okay, so first of all I just need some bits and pieces, so I'm going to see if there's anything I want on here. I've already fussy cut all of these out of the second sheet that comes in the pack, and I think I'm just going to use these for smaller prints. So I'm just going to start with this guy as my base, and I'm going to cut a whole bunch of like bunting out of this. So I'm just folding it in half to find the middle, getting some long bladed scissors and cutting out like a flag. Okay, and I am going to like slightly raise the edge and distress all the edges on all of mine. So that will take some time, so I will cut some of that out. Repeating that process, making another bunting. We're going to keep repeating this till we've built up a bunch of layers, okay? Okay, I have cut down, as you can see, a whole bunch of those, and I've distressed them all. And I've got a couple of still left over which I might use to add some more of that colour in, and I'm just going to do the actual base piece of paper now, and then we're going to start layering. So all I'm doing is just running my fingernails along the edge to give it some texture and height, and then I'm just going to lightly distress it as well. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. I'm going to start with my base one. So I'm just using 450 glue to glue all of my bits down. I want my photo to sit up, so I'm just going to glue some, this is just cardboard, just packaging from new sheets I just got on the back. Okay, now I've got my pile here of all my bitses. My photo is probably going to go about there. So we're just going to make some layers. Okay, so you can see how I have got most of them just laid down now, just using this as my guide. I feel like I need maybe another, I might make a thin dotty one for down here. Now I think I'm going to get some of this muslin cheeseclothy stuff. Gonna glue that down with the 450. Okay, now my photo's going down. So I can see exactly, let me just get my photo straight. Okay, so I've got a bunch of bits and pieces up at the top here that I have already fussy cut out. So I'm just gonna go through those and work out what I want to use. One, and I'll put that one somewhere else. So that one, this one can go maybe under here. I really like this title, and I'm going to use the die, I think, that says Fabulous. Fabulous today and every day. Yep, I think we'll go with that. Sorry, my video stopped again, so let's just try to pick it up. Didn't want that one quite as high as what it was, so I just trimmed some off the edge of it. This is the new fussy cutting die and the cut apart sheet I've just used to cut these ridiculously cute little tags out. Now I want to bring some of that down here. So what have we got? Little cute little tags here. Just adding some extra of the little leaves that I saved on a couple of those. Just add some different heights and textures in here. Flower in there, but I'm not sure. Do you know what I might use? Got some of these flowers which I have pulled apart. I might just scrunch some of them up, put in there. I'm just taking some of the layers apart because I don't want all the layers. Very cute. Okay, the last little thing I need to do is cut out that title, which I also want to put up here that says Fabulous. So I'll just, okay, so I'm just going to cut that out. Okay, I'm just going to poke out the little bits. Now I've got to decide where I want to put my title. Do I want to put it here or do I want to put it over here? I think I'm going to put it there. I'm just going to use my zig pen. Okay, I am done with this layout. So super quick, effective and easy layout to do. Hope you enjoyed that, and hope you enjoy me next time. Thanks guys, bye.